Hello guys, so today I am going to unbox YKing blender which I bought from Chandni Chowk Market, Delhi. One week ago I had been to Delhi for some work and I was roaming around Chandni Chowk Market. There I see this blender in very low, very cheap rates, so I decided to buy it. So today I am going to show how it works and how best is this. I will test and tell you. So you can see this is the blender, YKing mark on it, and I am using this for the first time. Before using this, we have to follow safety precautions. We have to wear gloves and safety tools, goggles and all, but I don't have all those equipments, safety tools, so I am using it with bare hands. This is the blade, YKing original blade, and they give me with this blender in the same price. So I'm going to install this blade in this blender and tell you how it will work. First of all, we have to remove this nut like this. This is the tool which is used to fit this blade. First of all, we have to now tight this knot like this way. Okay, we have to press this button to tight. Okay, now it's done.
Now it's ready.
Now it's ready. My खाने नि हो अब तिमी पर जाऊ है